slime lane, I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? iReviewStuff back here once again. And today we're going to be taking an early look at this new pair of Yeezy 350 V2s. Releasing sometime soon. I'm not sure about exact release date. I don't really follow that. I just cop what I want when I want. And yeah, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, make sure you hit like the video. Oh my god, I'm stuttering so hard because I haven't made a video in forever. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe if you like what you see, of course. If you don't subscribe, click off the video. It's that easy. And last but not least, remember to follow the Instagram. Link will be in the description. And turn on notifications for the channel as well if you rock with me the long way. So let's get into the video. No more talking, no more blabbing on. These took about a week to get here. Double box, bubble wrapped, of course. You can see the box is in perfect condition. That's what you get when you pay a higher price for a UA pair of shoes. So I think that's pretty much it. Info wise, in the beginning, these are just new colorway. Like it's the same like old static like design, but like a lot different in terms of colorway. So before I get into it, that's the website, HypesKick.com. Instagram is at HypesKick, and then WhatsApp is right there as well. So there's all the information if you do want to contact them about anything. No, I don't condone it, but I just show you guys what I buy and what I get in the videos, so you guys don't get scammed and you guys know what you're buying with your hard-earned money, of course, just like I spend mine to get the stuff I show. So let's get into it. Let's put the shoes to the side real quick. Not gonna take too long in this video because this isn't a new model we haven't seen before. We've seen the 350 and the 350 V2 many times. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to cover the 350V or no, the Yeezy 380s, I think they're called officially, the alien colorway. Let me know if you guys want to see those. But yeah, there's all the information. So Yeezy Boost 350 V2, size 9.5. These are for a friend. You can see the colorway. I'm gonna try to pronounce it. I think it's pronounced Yecheil. I don't know, man. But that's the colorway right there. That's the colorway of the shoes and what they're called, just like the other ones that kind of look like the McChicken Yeezys, the Yeezreals. Those ones are releasing around the same time as these, I believe, as well. So there's all that. Yeezy Boost 350, regular stuff. Boost on the side, 350 on the top. Nothing on the bottom. So inside you just get paper. With most of these sellers these days, you can honestly just ask for like StockX stuff if you want like the tags and the paperwork, and like the little StockX sticker. But this one, I didn't bother asking for them because I have so much of them at this point. I don't really care. Not trying to pass these off to anyone and scam them with like StockX stuff anyway, so it doesn't matter to me personally. If you want to flex on your friends, go ahead. Most of my friends know how I'm rocking anyway. So yeah, here are these shoes. So you can see quite the deviation in terms of colorway from what we've seen before. We have never seen like a super multicolored, like bipolar Yeezy like this. So super light shoe, of course. Quality is pretty on point with the Yeezy 350 V2s these days. So kind of regardless where you get them, you're probably gonna get something good unless you buy them off like DHgate or something. Then it's iffy. But you can see you got some yellow action happening in here. You got some blue action happening in here. You got some blue and red action happening all the way up until the toe box. And then it goes to some black, yellow. This is kind of like some pink, black, pink, black, pink, black, pink, black, till it hits the yellow again. And then of course you do have the see-through stripe as well. On this side, it's more or less all pink and black. A little bit of yellow, of course, in the back as well, but then it cuts into just purely pink and black. Primed it all over. No 3M hits anywhere besides the laces, and of course the 3 stripes on the back. So pretty dope how hard those fly. Like I'm still amazed to this day like how good Yeezy laces look when they're 3M. Like it's super dope. So Rest of the shoe, midsole is just a regular black midsole. Got the boost on the bottom, nice and soft and squishy. Quality is on point. No loose threads anywhere that I can see at least, so that's a good sign. Inside the shoe, oh my god, man, that tag is a nuisance. Inside the shoe is all pink. So I mean, I guess that's kind of sort of the theme of the shoe. Yeah, you got the Adidas Yeezy in like a brownish, kind of looks like a makeup. I don't even know what that makeup product's called, but stuff that people put on their face. Blender, I think that's what it is. Blender, like looks like a dark shade of that. Honestly, the whole inside of the shoe looks like makeup, really, like the shade of makeup. So that's funny, I didn't even realize that. You can see 3 stripes shining through like the stitched part, like right here, the pull tab. But yeah, the 3M, super strong on that. Yeah, I don't know what your guys' thoughts on these shoes are. I think they're pretty fire. Like, it's nice to see something like out there and different, that actually, in my opinion, looks good coming out of Yeezys, because they recycled this model so many times that it's kind of hard to get excited for a colorway at this point, because most of them are like almost identical with like a few changes. This is like the most different thing. So like even the prime knit design seems to be different. I don't know if it actually is. Like, I don't know if it just stands out because it's all different colors, or it's actually different from like the static prime knit design. So I'm not too sure at all. So this is the left shoe, as you can see. So just the design looks wicked, man. It's like nice and unique. I like that. Bottom of the shoe, got the boost all throughout, of course. There you go. Got the Adidas on the front of it. Let me know if you guys like me bringing up the shoe like this so you can get a closer look, or going down. Personally, I find it's easier for me to do this just because I'm standing instead of bending down. Because sometimes, not even gonna lie, getting done like a 10-minute video of me just bending over constantly, like, it hurts my fucking back. I'm getting old, so I'm 22 and I'm complaining I'm getting old. What is life? But yeah, you got the typical like tags that Yeezys come with. It doesn't have the RFID tag. Not sure if it's supposed to, but it doesn't. Whole overall shape of the shoe and tongue height looks good as well. Forgot to mention that. I'm not an expert by any means, but to me it does look good. So yeah, I think I covered more or less everything. Let me know your guys' thoughts on the shoe in the comment section down below. I personally, like I said, I've already said my piece about them and my thoughts. It's nice to see an out there different colorway that actually seems to work together, as different as it is, compared to just releasing the same shoe over and over and over again, just recycling colors. So like I said, let me know your guys' thoughts. Comment section down below. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. If you fuck with me already, and you have been for a while, make sure to show some love by dropping a like, telling me your thoughts in the comment section down below, liking my other videos. You already know you guys do the most. I appreciate it all, and hopefully y'all stay blessed. Have a good day. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.